The 2 Tyres Guide to the Continental Trail Attack 3. Continental make a great selection of tires for adventure bike riders. The TA3 is their most road-orientated tire in adventure bike sizes. It has the same feel and performance as any sports touring tire. These are a popular fitment for adventure bike riders who don't go off-road. The fact they're available in 21-inch fronts means you can vastly improve the confidence you have in the front end of your Africa Twin, CRF 250 or KTM Adventure R. The TA3 offers excellent outright grip, but they're also very capable in the wet. Their fast warm-up and compound mean they retain heat even in cold conditions and work well across a wide range of temperatures. If you ride an adventure bike and want sure-footed road holding, excellent feel and feedback, and a tire that performs well whatever the weather, the TA3 should be on your shortlist. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website. Just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.